Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
Can I have an E, S, U, another S, K, I, D, S. Jesus Kid.
One child, Jesus Christ, was born of grace.
Everybody say cheese. One more time. One more time. Jesus.
How about you guys good? Alright.
Thank you.
We'll go back to the house, are we?
Alright, children, you go back to your seats. Let's have another set. Jesus is Academy Igbo Road. Another one. Okay, say cheese one more time. Okay, thank you.
For a burden so we will pay. Now we are
Yeah, it's a matter of what the time provides to show our Lord. Yes. Everybody in the house are showing love to the children. And also as we have Dr. Mrs. Popola into here. And Pastor Mrs. Mother of
Jesus Christ is born.
and all other members of daddies in the house.
Hello children! Are we having fun? We thank God for this beautiful day. As usual, we have got our beautiful cake and we will share it. You know, Florence Moduba is always coming to prepare the children for school in January. So we have come with our usual bags, school materials, maths, notebooks, school bags, and for people in the homes, towels, cups, and other toothpaste, and other toiletries. So before we have over 300 items here for the children, and I will give it to our queen mother, Olori, Mariam, Ogunwusi, or Jaja too. Please, I know you can't do everything, but at least hand over you to some of our children going to school. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm going to support my sister. A little token. For what she, I'm so impressed with what I'm saying here. Thank you. And I'm going to tell Baba to, and I'm impressed. So I'm going to send my support to Madam. You've done a very good job.
Let's applaud mommy.
Please clap for her. God will guide you. God will protect you. Your children will be great. All the children there will be greater than what we've seen. God will bless everybody that came here. My sister, God will continue to bless you. God will be with you. Thank you very much.
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.